Hi, everyone, and welcome back to another Workshop Wednesday. Today we have a special guest, Cooper. We've been talking all about building community, finding our own strengths, and listening and hearing about the strengths of others to bring us into this wellness community. And we're going to do a meditation on celebrating and our celebration ritual. So taking time to notice those celebrations that we can have for ourselves and for others around us. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. You can lower the gaze or close the eyes if that feels good. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. One more, deepest one of the day. Inhaling through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Bringing the shoulders up to the ears. Rolling them back and down. Settling into our seated position. Taking this time now to think of something that happened in the past week that is worth celebrating. This can be something small, like getting to work on time, having a healthy breakfast, maybe building your community a little bit more by saying hi to someone in the neighborhood. Whatever it is, taking the time now to reflect on it, to say to yourself, this happened this week, and I am celebrating it. In the fast pace of life, sometimes we can forget to take a moment to appreciate what we've done for ourselves. Breathing this in, giving ourselves a mental pat on the back. Deep inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Sitting in this pool of proud for self. And now taking the time to celebrate a win of someone else in your life. Maybe someone just got a raise, or they realized that they wanted to do something new, and they did it. Taking a moment to celebrate their win. Breathing in through the nose. Exhaling through the mouth. Gently opening the eyes. Thank you so much for showing up to our Workshop Wednesday today. You have so much to celebrate, and you have so much to celebrate for your community as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and see you next week.